Take command of the road in the 2016 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, an outside temperature display, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call